just at the right time. This is one of the heaviest pieces of the Argosy right here, man. So we about to put this thing together.
Our work done. I'll let y'all later.
Oh man. See, all I did one thing. So here we go. Let's rock and roll.
We got it.
Woo! This is heavy. Look, I bench press this thing right here. This gotta weigh at least 50 pounds. But again, it looks like the build quality is superb. Superb than a lot of other consoles that might be out there. But again, this is Argosy. This is Argosy. You want quality? You got it. Onward, onward, almost there. So, one thing that I believe in is cleaning as you go. Guess what? Guess what? We back on the grind. You know why we back on the grind? Because the last box just came in from FedEx. And I got on the same clothes because it's the same day still. So don't get it twisted. It wasn't 2 or 3 days later that we recording this. But anyway, it's ironic that this last box that we received after we done took everything out and started setting up, it says open first. So we were supposed to actually start with this box right here as far as opening. So I'm assuming that all the packaging and all the screws and the damn directions are in this. So I'm excited. I'm going to call Joe Nitty back so we can get back on the grind. Guess who's back? That guy right there. We're gonna fast forward while we figure this out. Hey everybody, the Argosy Halo. Let's turn it on and see if it works. Yeah, boy, we in there, man. Boy, we did it. We did this, man. Look at this, boy. We did a good job. We got all the pieces and everything. We got all the pieces done. We are not done yet. Oh shit. Wait a minute. We gotta put this. Hey, we gotta fast forward. Wait a second. Hey. Now we are finished. Now we are finished. Hey, now we finished. Ain't no more pause around. Directions right here in the trash can or in the box. Halo. Sit stand. Give me 3 hours. Let me hook up all of this stuff. And we're going to be right back. Boom. Bracket, you know what I mean? So this is perfect. But something but perfect. Yeah. This is straight right here, man. This Argosy came with a lot. We got to put the speakers on. The speaker mount. Oh, all right. So, hey, we're going to fast forward. We're going to do this. We're going to put it in. We'll be right back. We'll be right back. Take all this stuff now. We're going to be right back.